Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Gmail detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.gmail.com and press enter. If you already have a Gmail account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and click next. If you are using a public or shared computer, consider unchecking the Stay Signed In box. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Gmail inbox. To compose a new email, click the Compose button located on the left side of the screen. A new message window will appear on the right side. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. You can add multiple recipients by separating email addresses with commas. In the Subject field, enter a brief description of your email. In the body of the email, write your message. If you want to format your text, use the options available in the toolbar. To attach a file, click on the paperclip icon at the bottom of the window. Select the file you wish to attach from your device and click Open. Once your email is complete, click on the Send button. To read incoming emails, return to your inbox by clicking Inbox on the left panel. Emails will be listed with the newest at the top. Click on any email to open and read its content. If you wish to reply to an email, click the Reply button within the email view. Type your message and send it by clicking Send again. To organize your emails, use folders or labels on the left side. Click on More to find additional options, like creating labels or accessing archived emails. To log out of your account, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Sign Out. You are now ready to use Gmail effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.